push off that bucket.
Turd.
No! She's like, I don't know what to do.
Lulu butt. Lulu! You little turd. Oh, Bandit. Bandit.
Get it.
Oh, you scared her.
No, she went after it, and then she saw Bandit freaked out.
Bandit.
You have to hear him meow. It's the funniest thing ever.
He's so
What is he
confused.
doing?
He's like, what is it? He's just doing
He
it
feels
right.
wet nose.
No, he's right up in front of the camera.
He's like sniffing the cat and looking at it. And he's probably like, what the heck is this small cat doing in your hand?
Oh my god, this is such a great video.
Oliver, meanwhile, is messing with the bag.
Yeah, Oliver's just chilling inside a bag.
Pull his head over.
Bandit, chill. God.
Jeez, they're like fascinated with it. What is this?
They're all just
Say
like,
hi.
they all just like it.
Did you like the remake of Alice in Wonderland?
The Tim Burton one?
The Johnny Depp one.